Whether you're just starting out with Divi or looking to take your skills to the next level, you've come to the right video. Today, we're gonna look at 12 absolute must-have tools when it comes to designing and customizing your Divi site. And what's even better, thanks to our Divi summer sale, right now you can get all these tools at incredible discounts that a lot of times have never been seen before. Let's waste no time and jump right into it. First up is Divi Pro, which you can pick up for 70% off during our summer sale. Divi Pro is a premium version of Divi that unlocks a whole new world of possibilities. With Divi Pro, you'll gain access to all the products in the Divi ecosystem. Divi is hands down the most popular WordPress theme on the market today. It's known for its impressive design flexibility and easy, no-code page builder, the Visual Builder. With Divi, you can control every aspect of your website's design, from fonts and colors to layouts and animations. Divi's powerful page builder lets you edit your site visually in real time, making it a great option for beginners. Divi also offers an extensive library of pre-made layouts, which are designed by our professional design team. With Divi Pro, you get access to Divi and so much more, including Divi AI, Divi Cloud, Divi VIP, Divi Dash, Divi Teams, and Divi Quick Sites. And right now, you can get Divi Pro at an unheard of 70% off. There has never been a better time to get Divi Pro, and during the Divi summer sale, you can get it at the incredibly low price of only $199. That grants you access to all of Divi's full ecosystem at an incredible 70% off. And also, as an added bonus, if you pick up Divi Pro, you'll also get $50 of marketplace credits as well, and that'll let you get some of these awesome tools that we're talking about in this video. But let's go ahead and continue on with the list. Next up is Divi Flash, which is 20% off during the sale. Divi Flash is a powerful plugin for Divi that includes over 50 Divi modules, 5 extensions, more than 30 layout packs, and over 500 section layouts to help you build a gorgeous Divi website. It can add animations for text, buttons, images, and more. Divi Flash provides an easy way to add visual interest to your website without creating effects from scratch. Some of the more powerful features of Divi Flash include adding additional design features to existing Divi modules like advanced blurbs, tabs, heading, and dividers. And right now you can get a 30% discount on Divi Flash, making it only $71.20. Up next is Divi Plus, which you can get for 20% off during the sale. The Divi Plus plugin provides a great way to supercharge your Divi website. It adds a massive toolbox of features to Divi. You'll access over 60 new Divi modules, allowing you to create advanced design elements like modals, animated text, masonry galleries, and stylish price lists. Divi Plus also throws in a library of over 80 pre-built websites and more than 400 sections to jumpstart your creativity. This is an amazing value, and even better is right now with 20% off, you can pick it up for $63.20 per year. Something else you'll not want to miss is the Header Layout Pack, which you can pick up for 20% off during the sale. Header Layout Pack is a valuable addition for anyone using Divi to build websites. It offers a collection of pre-designed headers that can be easily imported and customized within Divi's theme builder. The Layout Pack has over 260 header layouts with varying design styles, from clean and minimalistic to mega menus and everything in between. There's also more than 40 Woo headers to help you bring your online store to life. And during our Divi summer sale, you can get the header layout pack for only $7.20, which is a savings of 20%. Next up is the Divi Events Calendar, which you can pick up for 20% off during the sale. The Events Calendar is a great tool for adding events to your Divi website. The only issue is that it takes a lot of development to make them look cohesive with your design. This is where the Divi Events Calendar comes into play. This premium plugin bridges the gap between the plugin and the Divi Builder, allowing you to create beautiful and fully customizable events on your website. This plugin is jam-packed with features, and right now you can pick it up for $43.20, which is a savings of 20%. Next up is the Divi Masonry Gallery, which you can grab for 20% off during the sale. Divi Masonry Gallery provides a beautiful way to showcase your photos in a modern, responsive, and visually appealing way on your Divi website. While Divi does include a gallery module, it doesn't allow you to showcase images and a cascading grid effect. With the Divi Masonry Gallery plugin, just select the images, configure the number of columns you'd like to display, adjust the space between them, and even add a modal pop-up for viewing a larger version. And right now you can pick it up on sale for $20 per year, which is a 20% discount during the Divi summer sale. Next up is Avanti, which you can get for a shocking 50% off during the sale. Avanti is a multi-purpose child theme that's a great option for those who want to build a professional-looking website fast. Avanti has over 60 pre-made layouts for various niches, including business, portfolio, restaurant, e-commerce, and more. Those looking to easily set up an online store can also use Avanti's Woo layouts, making it easy to showcase your products and style. And right now you can get it for an unheard of $17.50 per year, which is a huge savings of 50% off over the regular price. Next up is WooCommerce layouts for Divi, which you can grab for 20% off during the sale. Another great way to create a stunning online store is with WooCommerce layouts for Divi. It provides a collection of professionally designed layouts crafted specifically for Woo stores. There are over 230 layouts that can all be easily modified within the Divi Builder. The pack includes 60 Woo product layouts, 40 shop layouts, 20 cart and checkout templates, and over 90 sections for Divi and WooCommerce. Plus, there's also 3 homepage layouts as well. And during our epic Divi summer sale, WooCommerce layouts for Divi is on sale for $23.20. Up next is Divi Cart Pro, which you can grab for 20% off during the sale. Divi Cart Pro is a child theme designed specifically for building e-commerce websites with Woo and Divi. For those looking to create a unique shopping experience, Divi Cart Pro could be a valuable addition to the Divi Starter Kit. It boasts a collection of over 10 homepage layouts for niches like fashion, furniture, and electronics. It also adds a mini cart feature, allowing customers to purchase without ever leaving the product page. A products grid module also allows you to create customized shop pages with features like quick view and a masonry layout. And right now, Divi Cart Pro is available for $31.20, which also includes 1 year of support, updates, and unlimited website storage. Next up is Divi Footers Pack, which is 20% off during the sale. We've showcased child themes and header packs, so how about some footers too? The Divi Footers Pack provides a collection of pre-made footer layouts designed to improve your site with effective, beautiful footers. They incorporate important information like social media icons, opt-in forms, menu links, and so much more. Each footer is also fully responsive and fully customizable within the theme builder. And right now you can pick it up for only $15.20 during our summer sale. Next up is Divi Contact Form Helper, which you can grab for 20% off during the sale. Divi is an amazing theme, and there's no doubt about that. However, its contact form module could use a little help, and that's where the Divi Contact Form Helper comes in. You can take your contact forms to a new level with this amazing plugin. It goes beyond the standard features of Divi's module and adds 115 new features. You can upload files, schedule appointments, and even save submissions right to your website's database for easy access. And the Divi Contact Form Helper is available during the summer sale for an extremely low price of only $28.80. Head over to elegantthemes.com/summer right now because you don't want to miss any of these incredible deals going on during the Divi summer sale. Thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Before we go though, make sure you check out some of our other content, and I'll see you in the next one.